Hey everybody, my name is Angel, and this is my last semester as a digital media student. I will be graduating in May, and I'm so excited and so ready. I know there's a lot of us who are ready to be done, but then I know there's a lot of us who kind of wish to continue, and I want to congratulate those people who've decided to go on to get bachelors, and I really wish I could see what y'all are doing in the future, because this whole experience, being able to see what everyone else is doing, has been so much fun for me, and I love seeing the work that everybody has done. It's been inspirational at times because I think it's funny how we can work on the exact same thing and still come up with completely different ideas, and it's really cool. I think it's just really cool. I want to congratulate everyone who's graduating this semester. It's all of us, which is really cool. I will miss it so much. I don't know really what else to say about myself. Oh, I will be traveling in the summer. Yay! So, wishing everybody a good semester. Bye!